What's the meaning of astrological? Astrological. Astrological.
Astrological. Astrological. The term astrological refers to the study of how celestial bodies affect human affairs and terrestrial events. It is a belief that positions and movements of celestial bodies like stars and planets can influence the course of human life and personality traits. Astrology is often used to predict future trends and analyze personal characteristics based on one's birth date and time. However, astrology is not considered as a scientific practice, and there is no concrete evidence to support its claims. Despite that, it remains popular among many individuals who seek guidance and insight into their lives.